Welcome to the video series of GPS software. In that series, we are going to explore about each and every feature of our software. So let's begin. Welcome to the video. In this video, we are going to explore about advanced dashboard setting. Through this feature, you will get more information about vehicle status, location, driven kilometer, etc. in the forms of charts, graphs in a very detail. So let's start. Just simply go here and then you will see advanced dashboard. Just click on it and here you can see on the screen there are vehicle number, signals, status, live, replay and address. In the vehicle number, there are all the registered vehicle along with their number will appear here. Then there is signal. Signal basically will represent information related to the vehicle. Then there is status. Status is about the vehicle. It could be stop, idle or running, depend on the vehicle situation. Then there is live. Then there is replay button. In replay, if you want to know the past status information about that particular vehicle, just simply click on it and you will get the information about that. At the last, there is address, which will show you the location of the particular vehicle right now in the forms of address. Let's talk about the left portion. So here you can see yellow is representing idle situation. So there are out of 25, there are 7 are on idle state, 3 are on running state, 15 are on stop stage, and there are total number of the vehicle which are registered is 25. Then you will see, once you click on it, you will see all the information what we have discussed about before will appear on full screen. Next, here is, it will divide it into portion. So in the first portion, here is all the information what we have discussed, and the second portion, all the vehicle which are registered will show here along with their current location. And also there are such option like full screen option. Once you click on it, you will be able to see it will show on full screen. Then there is select map. As per your wish, you can simply select any of this. I am going to select that Google satellite map. Then there is plus and minus sign. Plus basically represent for zoom in and minus basically represent for zoom out. Okay, so let's explore it more. I want to information about this particular vehicle. So there is a signal of this particular vehicle and the status of the particular vehicle is running state and the speed of the particular vehicle is 21.45 km per hour. Then there is replay button and address where is the selected vehicle is right now located will show here. I want the live location of that particular vehicle. I will simply click on this eye icon. And here you can see the live location of that particular vehicle. This vehicle or in running state along with all the details you can see here. As per your demand, you can check any of the vehicle. Let's suppose this vehicle, because this vehicle is in running state and I want information about this vehicle. I will simply click on view button and here you can see location of that particular vehicle along with address. Let's move to the home page here. So on the very top here, there is dashboard is blinking. Simply click on this. Here is the result and you will be able to see there are some of the analytical graphs are appear on the screen. Pie charts, line graph and bar graph. Let's explore one by one. All these graphs are having their own importance. Let's talk about the first two graphs. On the screen, it will give you all the information about running status, vehicle status, stop, idle, running, inactive or no data with different color to grab attention easily. Let's talk about the first graph first. It is showing you all the information about the vehicle status, running status in percentage. This portion is showing you for stop, that is 56%. This percentage is showing you status of the vehicle is idle, that is 28%. This portion is showing running status of the vehicles, that is 16%. Next move, vehicle driven. On the very top, you can simply see what type of chart this is and what of the information all about, that is vehicle driven information. On this graph here you can simply get the information any of the vehicle driven history by months, weeks or by days. As you can see on the chart, all the registered vehicle here along with their vehicle number will show on this. So through this graph you can simply check the status of the vehicle as per your demand. Like you want week wise information or week wise graph, just click on week. It will give you information on the weekly basis. Here you can see the result on the weekly basis. As per your demand, if you want day wise information, just simply click on day and it will give you day wise information, or month wise, just simply click on month and it will give you information about month wise or monthly information. And also you can notice that when you select weekly or monthly as per your demand, let's suppose I am selecting weekly option here because I want to know information on the weekly basis. I will click on week and here is my result. On the other hand, on the pie chart, it will automatically update its information and give you weekly fresh information of vehicle in pie chart with fresh updated percentage because you have chosen weekly information. And also in the chart, if you want to know the information about any of the vehicle, if you want to know this particular vehicle driven history in forms of chart, just simply put the cursor on it and here you can see the information of that particular vehicle along with this vehicle number, and all means all driven kilometers because we have chosen week, so it will give you weekly information. I am choosing day, so it will give me daily basis information. Then you can see, just put the cursor on it, you will be able to see that it will showing you daily basis information. Like this particular vehicle driven history is 362 kilometers and the number of that particular vehicle will appear here. In our software, there is also adjustable option as per your convenience. You can put any of the graph anywhere. What I am saying is, like I want this graph, vehicle status graph, to be here. So I will simply drag this graph here to here because I want this graph here and I want this graph to be here. So I will simply click this graph here and I just want this vehicle driven graph should be here. So I will simply select this vehicle driven graph here and I will put it here. So I can simply adjust according to my convenience, or you can simply adjust any of the graph according to your convenience. I hope this video would be helpful for you. Keep in touch, we will further discuss all the features of our software in detail in upcoming video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thanking you for watching from GPS Gateway team.